Welcome to JH. I finally gave Nature's Truth apple cider vinegar gummies a go, and the first thing I noticed was that I didn't feel like I was swallowing a household cleaning product. Unlike the liquid version, which usually leaves your throat feeling like a scorched earth zone, these are just sweet gummies that actually make the health routine tolerable. It turns out you don't actually have to suffer to be healthy. Who knew? I started noticing they really help with digestion, especially after those, I definitely shouldn't have ordered that meals that usually leave you feeling like a lethargic sloth. Instead of the usual post-dinner regret, I felt lighter and surprisingly comfortable, making it easy to keep the habit going without the daily drama. They also provide a nice, natural energy boost, not the kind of caffeine spike that makes your eyelids vibrate, but a steady balance that keeps you functioning like a normal human. Because let's be honest, we've all got enough unnatural stress to deal with already. They're easy to toss in a bag and taste good enough that I don't have to give myself a psychological pep talk before taking one. If you want the perks of apple cider vinegar without the liquid-inflicted trauma or the taste of a salad dressing factory, these are basically a no-brainer.